Hey there, my friends. It is Miss Jess. I am going to read to you the 5th book in our Elephant Queen stories. And this is the last book that I have in that series. So I'll find some more to read to you because it's been a while since I read to you. And I should read to you some more. So here's this one. It is called Who's Making That Sound? Who's making that sound? Oh, sorry, my iPad is being silly. But look at all of those things that could be making sounds around Weiwei. Let's see what sounds we come across and who could be making them. Weiwei's world is full of sound on the ground and all around. There's lots of sounds. We got to find out who's making them. Who makes the chirp that comes from his feet? Let's look down by his feet. Do you see anything down there? I see something that might chirp in the air. It's not a bird. It's a grasshopper calling who's been left on repeat. See the grasshoppers in the grass? Whoop. There they are. I turned the page on us. I did it again. Well, anyway, there's our grasshoppers, those bugs. The grasshoppers are chirping. Who makes the crick crick that comes from the sky? Maybe that's going to be a bird. Do you think? I see a couple birds up there. It's the bee-eaters calling as they fly by. Bee-eaters must be a kind of a bird. Maybe they eat the bees. And that's why they're called bee-eaters. Don't eat bees. Who makes the sss that he hears from the ground? What animal do you know that goes sss? Sounds like a snake? Let's see. Oh, it's a little chameleon making that sound. I did not know that chameleons sss, but I guess they do. They also change color. You might think she's tough, but it's really all bluff. Who makes the booming he hears all around? Booming? I don't know an animal that makes a booming sound, do you? Who could it be? It's the big black hornbills that live on the ground. I guess they boom. That's a kind of bird. And their bill is black. Who makes the that he hears all night? What could make that sound? I feel like a lot of animals could make that sound. That makes his chest pound and gives him a fright. Who do you think I'm going to show you in the picture? Probably not a dog. I don't think it's a bird. What do you see? Lions? Don't be afraid. You have nothing to fear. Lions won't attack with your family near. Elephants are a bit bigger than lions, aren't they? And elephants make a very loud sound through their trunks. There's only one thing that should cause you to run. What could it be? That should make you stop playing with your friends in the sun. Here's a picture of Weiwei and a friend playing. Who could it be? They are not at all big. They are quite hard to see. What could they be talking about? They're hard to see and they're not big. They can chase you and sting you. It's the honeybee. They make tasty honey. Watch out for stingers. When they get annoyed and swarm out of their nest, do you see the swarms up here and over here? Bzzz. I wonder if that's the sound we need to listen for. It's wise old Athena who knows what to do best. What will Athena do? Run, Wei-Wei, run! Don't be the last one. They're running from those bees. That's what you gotta do, I guess. And they talk to us a little bit about elephants. They make sounds from trumpets to chirps to rumbles. Wow. Elephants are afraid of bees. Are you afraid of bees? I'm afraid of wasps. But I guess in Africa, the bees aren't very nice, and they can sting an elephant around their eyes and inside of their trunk. Ooh. That makes an elephant run away. I would run away. So there you have it. We learned a little bit about those noises that those animals were making, and we learned that elephants are afraid of bees and they run away when they see a bee. Just stay calm. That's what I would recommend. Well, thank you for listening to all of those stories about Wei-Wei and the Elephant Queen, Athena, and I'll see if I can find some more books to read for you. Thanks for listening.